Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to do party watch on Disney Plus. To host the Disney Plus watch party, the first thing you'll need to do is to open up a web browser and then type in disneyplus.com. Also make sure that you're signed into your Disney Plus account by entering your credentials correct. Once you're logged into your Disney Plus account, open up a new tab and then type in teleparty.com and search. Go to the upper right corner and click on Install Teleparty. Now, on the next page, click on the Get button to install the add-on on your browser. Click on Add Extension in the pop-up. Now your extension is being downloaded. Once it is done, the Teleparty website will open up. Now, go through the instructions and then choose your streaming service. Click on Disney Plus from the list. Click Continue once you are done and click on Disney Plus once again in order to start a party. Once you do that, you will now be able to open up Disney Plus. Now select a show or a movie and click on Play. Now once you start playing the movie or the show, go ahead and click on this Teleparty extension and click on Start the Party. Copy the link that has been provided and send it to your friends you would like to invite to the watch party. Now once you send your link and then your friends joining with the link that you provided, you will be able to get them on this party and watch the show together with them. And that is how you will be able to party watch on Disney Plus. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.